Good morning children. 8th class maths exercise 1.1 part 4. Up to we completed in part 3 up to 8 problems. Now we are going to see the 9th problem in exercise 1.1. So what is here 9th problem given? What numbers should be added to? What number should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2. This is the question. We have to solve it. So what number should be added to minus 5 by 8? So which number should to add? I don't know. So what I am taking then? Let a number is equal to x. Let a number is equal to x. So what number should be added to minus 5 by 8? That means minus 5 by 8, the number I took as x is equal to, so has to get means the answer, the result. How much we have to get? Minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Minus 5 by 8 plus x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So if we observe here, what happened here? I want to find x only. I don't want to minus 5 by x. So I am transforming to right hand side. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 5 by 8 will becomes plus 5 by 8. Why? Because when LHS to RHS, when it transforms, plus will becomes minus. Minus will becomes plus. So in the same way, minus value became here plus. If we observe here, denominators are different. So how to find? Take LCM of 2 and 8. So what is the LCM of 2 and 8? Check. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So what is the LCM we got here? 8. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So in 2 table when 8 will comes, we have to check 5 by 8. So in 8 table when 8 will comes, we have to check. 2 table means 2 4s are 8. If we multiply denominator 4, numerator also we need to multiply with 4. 8 1s are 5 1s are. So x is equal to minus 12 by 8 plus 5 1s are 5 by 8. 5 1s are 5 by 8. Now, so x is equal to denominators are same 8. So directly add the numerators. Minus 12 plus 5. Minus 12 plus 5. 1 plus and 1 minus. 1 plus and 1 minus means what we will do? Minus 12 minus 5. 7. So see the bigger value 12. 12 is having negative symbol. So answer you get minus 7 by 8. Therefore x is equal to minus 7 by 8. What is the number we have to add it? Minus 7 by 8. Therefore the number is equal to minus 7 by 8 is your answer. Okay. This is your 9th problem. In the same way, you need to do the 10th problem also. So what is the 10th question? 10th question is given here. The sum of two rational numbers. The sum of two rational numbers. Sum of two rational numbers is 8. Sum of two rational numbers is 8. If one of the number is minus 5 by 6, find the other. So given here, sum of two rational numbers is 8. Sum of two rational numbers is 8. Two rational numbers. In that one rational number is given as minus 5 by 6. We don't know other rational numbers. So given one rational number. So what is one rational number given here? Minus 5 by 6. So find the other rational number. I don't know other rational number. So let other rational number I am taking as x. So if we add these two rational numbers, the answer should we get 8. So according to the problem, so adding two numbers, 5 by 6 plus x is equal to 8. Minus 5 by 6 plus x is equal to 8. So what I told, transforming minus 5 by 6 transforms that side, it will becomes plus 5 by 6. Plus 5 by 6. Here denominator is not there. So we are placing 1. So LCM of 1 and 6. What is LCM here? 6. So x is equal to 8 by 1 into 6 into 6. 5 by 6 into 1 into 1. Therefore, x is equal to 8 6 are 48 by 6. 48 by 6 plus 5 1s are 5 by 6. So now denominators are same. Directly add the numerator. So x is equal to 48 plus 5. 53 by 6 is the answer. Okay. 11th one. 11th question, is subtraction associative in rational numbers? Subtraction is associative in rational numbers or not? We need to check it out, the 11th question. So here given, is subtraction associative in rational numbers? What is the question given? Is subtraction associative in rational number? So they are asking the question, subtraction is associative or not? Explain with an example. So we have to take our own example and we have to prove. Explain with an example. So associative, first we need to know the associative property. What is associative property? Associative property. So what it involves? Three symbols. A minus of B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C. This is the associative property. We have to take our own example. So example, I am taking A is equal to 2 by 4. B is equal to 3 by 4. C is equal to 5 by 4. This is the example. So I am taking ABC values my own. You can take your own values also. I am substituting in the rule. So what is the rule here having? A minus B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C. So A value is 2 by 4. B value is 3 by 4. C value is 5 by 4. Substitute directly. 2 by 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 4. 5 by 4. So 2 by 4. First we have to simplify the bracket thing. So here denominator is 4. So 3 minus 5. How much 3 minus 5? If you simplify the bracket 1. 2 minus 3 minus 5 by 4. So 2 by 4 minus 3 minus 5 is minus 2 by 4. 3 minus 5 is small minus big, not possible. So big minus small. 5 minus 3 is 2. Bigger number having negative. So negative symbol we need to place here. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 4. Here minus 5 by 4. So 2 by 4 minus into minus is plus 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 4. So now denominators are same. Directly add the numerators. So 2 plus 2 is 4 by 4. Minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 by 4. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, what we can conclude? Associative not holds under subtraction. Therefore, associative not holds under subtraction. With this, we proved that associative property will not comes under subtraction. Is it clear? This is the 11th problem. This is the 11th problem. Now, 12th one. So, what is the question given in the 12th problem? Check it once. Read the question. So, verify that. Verify that. What given here? Minus half minus x is equal to x. Minus half minus x is equal to x. So, first problem given x is equal to 2 by 15. X is equal to 2 by 15. So, substitute here minus half minus x. That is minus half minus 2 by 15. So, minus into minus plus 2 by 15. This is your 12th bit. This is your 12th bit. In the same way, you check the second problem on your own. Okay. Next, 13th one. 13th one, the set of numbers which do not have any additive identity. The set of numbers, first one see beta, 13th question, first one they are asking the set of numbers which do not have any additive identity. The numbers which do not have any additive identity. I told you already what is additive identity. Additive identity is nothing but 0. So, in which set of numbers 0 will not have? So, if we see natural numbers, it will comes from 1 onwards. Whole numbers comes from 0 onwards. So, which set don't have 0? Which set not having 0? N. Therefore, what is the answer there? Natural numbers. What is the answer there? Natural numbers. Okay. Next. Second question. The rational number that does not have any reciprocal. The rational number that does not have any reciprocal. Already in the second bit we have seen in second bit we have already seen which rational number that do not have any reciprocal. Which rational number? 0. Why? Because we can't write 1 by 0. If we write 1 by 0, it is not defined. It is not defined. So, 0 is the answer. Last one, the reciprocal of a negative rational number. The reciprocal of a negative rational number. So, reciprocal of a negative rational number what? Third one. So, if minus 1 by 2 reciprocal what? Minus 2 by 1. So, negative. Right there, negative. This is your exercise 1.1 completed. Okay.